बिहारी श्री राधा विनोद बिहारी जीव की जय। जय श्री गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जीव की जय। नित्यलीला वैष्णव विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतनाथ भक्ति वेदांत शिरोमणि गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। गुरुवानुग गुरुवर्ग की जय। हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय। पति पावन नित्यानंद प्रभु की जय। सजनंदन गौर की जय। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव की जय। गौर प्रेमानंदी। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै ददामि कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसीदेवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्तिप्रदे देवी सत्तवत्यै नमः। भक्ताविहीनापराधलक्ष्यै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्नं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दे। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So, first of all, offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma, Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Seva, Vaman Goswami Maharaj and Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Seva and Goswami Maharaj simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and present all of my respectful guests. So continue, I also discuss about Madhurya Kadambini, composed by Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. And continue also discuss Adu Saddha, Tato Sadhu Sangha, Bhajanam Kriya, Anartha Vritti, Nishtha Ruchi, Asakti, Bhava and Prem. This is the sequence. How an ordinary sadhaka, step by step, develop his bhajan and sadhan, and especially how we and remove all our anarthas in our heart. Yesterday we also discussed these things. There are 4 kinds of anarthas in the heart of the living entities. And we also discussed Duskritva anartha, Sukriti anartha, Bhakti anartha, and Aparad, artha, anartha. Anartha means no artha is anartha. There is no need. Artha means need. Or anartha means
No need.
no need. Eh? Conditioned soul, they don't know what is need and what is
Not needed.
no needed. They don't know. Eh? But conditioned soul completely, they also decided an opposite way, which is no need. Eh? They are acquired their things. Or which is need, they also
Neglect.
neglect,
Neglect.
reject. Need what things? What is your need? Krishna Bhakti, Krishna Prem. This is true. You have need. Krishna Bhakti, Krishna Prem. This is true. But conditioned soul, they have no these types of knowledge. Which has no needed. They also acquire their things. What is that? Material things. Actual material thing, that is called career, is less. And always giving all kinds of distress and unhappiness. In this material, all kinds of material things automatically give us distress and unhappiness. This is true. But Krishna Bhakti, Krishna Prem, that is our essence of our life. But we forget to how to attend to Krishna, how to make friendship with Krishna, how to make relationship with Krishna, Krishna Samantha. For this regard, Veda, Shastra, Purana, Sadhu, Guru, they give us perfect advice, instruction to us. मायाबद्ध जीवेर नहीं कृष्ण स्मृति ज्ञान. जीवे कृपा कृष्ण वेद पुराण and sadhu guru vaishnav rupe tahari jana. Krishna himself manifested in many forms, sadhu, guru, and also shastra, Ved, Puran, Upanishad. And Srimad Bhagavatam mentions that is called Krishna's what is called? Bangmai Murti. Bhagavat means that Krishna's Bangmai Murti. Krishna himself manifested in the form of Shastra. 12th canto Srimad Bhagavatam means Krishna's 12th limbs and body. Understand? Padma Puran very nicely glorified about Srimad Bhagavatam. Padu Judiyo Judiyo Turjuna Vistata Panchamaiva Shashtato Jugalna Tamadideva Kantastu Rajan Namo Ekadasam Gagadbhati Dadasam Siradesam Tamadidevam Purna Nidhanam Tamala Varnam Suvidavadar Avataram. In this way, Padam Puran also glorifies Srimad Bhagavatam, actual non-difference from Krishna himself. That is called Krishna's Bangmai Murti himself. Krishna himself manifested in the form of Srimad Bhagavatam. Yeah. So Sadhu, Guru, Shastra, Rupe, Jiveri Jana. Krishna himself manifested in the form of Sadhu, Guru, Shastra. But conditioned soul, they completely what? Intoxicated mind. They don't know what is the good and what is bad. They don't know. So now coming in this way, just I also explained what is need or what is no need. Need Krishna Bhakti, Krishna Prem, Krishna Seva. But we forget to Krishna, now we acquire unneeded And all these material things also always giving distress and unhappiness. So, with the assistance of Sadhu Guru, then slowly we will realize about our Tattva philosophy. So now coming in this way, the anartha nivritti, how will free from all kinds of anarthas, unwanted things. Then Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained that there are many kinds of anarthas, but 4 types of anarthas are prominent. That is called Duskrito Uttha Anartha. Duskrita means?
Sinful activities. Anartha born from sinful activities.
From previously.
Previous lives.
We committed many kinds of sinful activities, papa karma. For this regard, many kinds of distress and unhappiness are coming. Many kinds of disease, distress, and especially Mayadevi, she is giving us Adhantik, Adidoivik, Adibhutik, and Tritap Jara. All we are suffering 3 folds of mind. Suffering in this. So that is called the Duskriti Uttha Anartha. Sukriti Uttha Anartha. Sukriti Uttha Bhoga Nivisa Vividha. Previous life did many kinds of pious activities. For these are many kinds of bhog vritti, them enjoying sense gratification. These types of tendencies coming. Or bhakti uttha anartha. If you practice bhakti, in the beginning many kinds of facilities also will come. That is also an obstacle to practice bhakti also. Name, fame, reputation, this thing also. Obstacles of bhakti. Or aparadutta anartha, committing many kinds of offences, related to sadhu, guru, Vaishnava, especially 4 kinds of offences again coming. That is called Nama Aparad, Dhamma Aparad, Siva Aparad, and Vaishnava Aparad. But here Vishnu Chakravarti Pad mainly explain about Vaishnava Aparad. That is coming from Nama Aparad actually. Understand? How many types of Nama Aparad? 10. Satang Ninda, to criticize to Vaishnava, sadhus, that is called Satang Ninda. One who thinks Sivanam or Krishnam is equal, that is also aparad. Guru Avaggan, Vijnana to Gurudev. In these 10 types of offences of Nama Aparad. But continue chanting holy names, then slowly Nama Aparad removed from our heart. Because this is the process. And without chanting holy names, offenses will never remove from our heart. So Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad in this chapter, Madhurya Kadambini, 3rd chapter, Madhurya Kadambini discussed about different types of offenses also. Yesterday we also discussed all these things, how will we remove from this anarthas from our heart. Because all these anarthas are not removed at a time, step by step. Yesterday I told 5 stages. Anarthas are removed. First stage is called, could you remember? Eko deso vartini, bahu deso vartini, Praiki Purna and Attantike. Ekadasi Vartini, just one part of unearthals, unwanted, removed from our heart in the stage of Shraddha and Sadhu Sangha. This is called Eko Desa Vartini, maybe 1%, 2%. Bahu Desa Vartini, most part of unearthals are removed from heart in the stage of Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Nishtha will come. They are Bahu Desa Vartini, more than 60%.
More than 60.
More than 60. More than 50.
More than 50.
More than 50. 60, 70, 80, 90. Bahu Desa Vartini. Praiki, almost all kinds of unearthals removed from the heart of sadhaka at the stage of Asakti Dasha. Ruchi to Asakti Dasha. That time in sadhakas, almost all kinds of unearthals removed. Almost means maybe 95%, 98% unearthals removed from here. That is called almost. Maybe little bit. Or Purna, when sadhaka will come in the stage of Bhavadasha, complete. All his unearthals, all unearthals are removed from here. That is called Purna, complete. But still, chance, there's some chance, again the unearthals will return back. Just give an example, if you are very sick, suffering from the fever, and few months, now taking medicine, then you have no fever, this is true. But if you not prevent, not protect anything, then maybe again fever will come back. So in the same way, when sadhaka will come in the stage of Bhavadasha, all his unearthals are removed from his heart. This is true. But again chance, the unearthals come back. For this regard, in the stage of Bhavadasha, and all unearthals removed, complete, free from it. Purna, a Atantaki, and all is unearthals, absolutely removed from it. And again, never return back. That is the stage of Premadasa. When sadhaka will attain the stage of prema. Understand these things. This is the stage. So, just I also explained how unearthals is removed from our heart. 5 stages. Ekadasi Vartini, Bahudesi Vartini, Praiki, Purna, then Atantaki. Then Vishwanath Chakravarti path, after Anartha Nivritti, then also discuss Nishtha, Ruchi. Nishtha means steadiness. ये सिन्नतं सकता कृष्ण पुण्य श्रवण कीर्तन हृदंतस्तो जगद्राणी विधुनुति सुहृदि सताम नष्ट प्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर भवती नष्टिकी. Rendering listen Hari Katha, Bhagavad Katha. Bhagavad Katha. Then sadhaka's heart will be neat and clean. Because in this verse, Krishna himself explained, one who listens Bhagavad Katha, Krishna Katha, That Krishna Katha is not even Krishna himself. You are listening Krishna Katha, that means Krishna himself. And Krishna entered in your ears and coming in where? In your heart. And Krishna himself clean all your anarthas from your heart and himself seated. How? Because he is saying Krishna is the friends of the devotee of Lord. He is saying, the Sinnatang Sara Krishna Punna Sravana Kirtanam Hridamsa Javadran Viduniti Suhid Satam. Suhid Satam. Suhid means friend. Satam means sadhus. Krishna is the friend of the sadhu. So if you listen Krishna Katha from the lotus leaves of sadhu, then Krishna will be very pleased. And so Krishna is thinking, he is my friend of my friend. So this is my duty. Who is my friend of my friend? This is my duty. Clean all his anarthas from his heart. Do you understand? That means sadhu is the friend of Krishna. Or who is listening Harikatha? He is a friend of his friend. So Krishna is saying, one who listens Harikatha, listeners, Srota, listeners. So Krishna is thinking, oh, he is my friend of my friend. So my duty also, who is my friend of my friend, I have to clean his heart. Yes, so he is saying, Dantasto Javadan Vidunitu Suhidi Satam, Nashto Praisu Abadhusu, Nittang Bhagavata Sevaya, Nittang Bhagavata Sevaya. Every day, if you start to Bhagavatam, Harikatha Sravana. Bhagavat Seva means listen Harikatha Bhagavat Sekatha. Understand? Just take Srimad Bhagavatam, offering flowers, but not reading. This is not the perfect Bhagavat Seva. Bhagavat Seva means listen Harikatha. Understand? Two Bhagavats. One is called Grantha Bhagavat, another is called Bhakta Bhagavat. How many Bhagavat?
Two.
Grantha Bhagavat. Bhakta Bhagavat and Grantha Bhagavat. Bhakta Bhagavat, that is called Jivanta Bhagavat, alive Bhagavat. And Grantha Bhagavat you are listening, which sometimes you may not understand what is the perfect meaning of the slokas of Bhagavata. Kormi, Gyani, Jogi, Mayavadi, impartialist, they are also reading Srimad Bhagavatam. But they don't know what is the perfect meaning of Srimad Bhagavatam. For this regard, Chaitanya Charitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained, Jaha Bhagavat Paro Vaishnava Stane Ekanta Asray Karo Chaitanya Charane. If you want to read Grantha Bhagavatam, you have to completely surrender lotus feet of Bhakta Bhagavat. Then Bhakta Bhagavat will explain what is the perfect meaning of these slokas of Grantha Bhagavat. Because Bhagavat Vibhu, Bhagavat is great. Prati sloke, prati akshare, nana arthakai. You understand? Every slokas, every verse of the slokas of Bhagavatam, there are different meanings are speaking. Not one meaning. Bhagavat Vibhu, prati sloke, prati sabde, nana arthakai. But what is the perfect meaning of the Bhagavad? Slokas of the Bhagavad. So how do you know? When you completely surrender to the feet of Sadhu. Sadhu Guru. Sadhu Guru will explain what is the perfect meaning of the slokas. So for this regard, only associate with Sadhu and listen Harikatha from the lotus feet of Sadhu. Satam prasangat mama virya samvidhu bhavante hitkarna रसायन कथा तज्जोषणात् आसु अपवर्ग वर्त्मनि श्रद्धारति भक्ति रणुक्रमेशति. Lord Kapil Dev, he gave direct instruction to his mother, Madhuvati. O ma, only associate sadhu. Satang prasangat mamavirya samvido bhavante hitkarna rasayana katha tajjosanadasu apavarga vartmani shraddharati bhakti anukramishyati. If we associate with sadhu and listen Hari Katha, Bhagavad Katha from the lotus leaves of sadhu, then first sadhana bhakti manifests in your heart, then bhav bhakti, then prema bhakti will manifest. This is the purport about this. So, satang prasangat mamavirya samvido bhavanti hitkarna rasayana katha tajjosanat asu apavarga vartmani shraddharati bhakti ranunkramishyati. Sadhu Sangha, Bhagavad Katha. And so he had also saying this, Bhakta Bhagavat. So two Bhagavad I explained. One is called Grantha Bhagavata, and another is called Bhakta Bhagavat. You have to serve two Bhagavatas, Grantha Bhagavat and Bhakta Bhagavat. But how to serve Grantha Bhagavat? Now under guidance of Bhakta Bhagavat. Because Bhakta Bhagavat explain what is the perfect meaning of the slokas of Bhagavata. So he had also explained Sinnatang Sakata Krishna Punna Sravana Kirtan Hriddantastu Jhavadrani Vidhunti Suhidi Satam Nashto Prayesu Avadyasu Nittang Bhagavata Seva. Nittang, every day you serve Bhagavata. Bhagavata, two Bhagavata. Grantha Bhagavat and Bhakta Bhagavat. Bhagavati Uttama Sloke Bhakti Bhavati Nastiki. In this way, rendering service, Guru, Vaishnava and Bhagavatam, then Nishtha, steadiness will manifest in your heart. This is the process. Actual conditioned soul himself cannot remove all the anarthas from his heart. For this regard, when you listen Hari Katha, Bhagavad Katha, then Krishna himself enter in your heart and remove all anarthas. Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, in his commentary, very nicely explained. One your very nearest friend, very close friend, I'll come to your house. Or you are very busy to cooking or something, prepare some prasad for him. But your chair little bit dust. And that time your close friend will not order to you, hey, how can I sit in this chair? Because this chair is full of dust. What he will do? He himself and clean the chair and sit. Because you are busy to cooking or prepare some prasad for your friend. Or your friend himself and clean the chair and sit. In the same way, Krishna says in this verse, I am the friend of my devotee. So I enter in the ears of the listeners. But who is listening? Listener is called a friend of my friend. Understand? So Krishna himself entered in the ears of the listeners, Sruta, and coming in his heart and cleaning all. So I say, Nittam Bhagavata. It is Sinnatang Sakta Krishna Punna Sravana Kirtana Hriddantastu Jhavadrani Vidhunuti Suhidi Satam. Suhidi Satam. Krishna is the friend of sadhu. Satam means sadhu. Sadhu's friend. Or Nashto Prayasu Avadresu Nittam Bhagavata Seva. Bhagavati Uttama Sloke Bhaktir Bhavati Nastiki. In this way, every day listen Bhagavad Katha from the lotus lips of sadhu. Eh? Then you should sleep all your unearths. Remove from your heart will be neat and clean. Then your steadiness will come. And nishtha will come. Chanting holy names, performing bhajan and sadhana. Eh? Nishtha is very important. Nishtha means completely summons and stay, not remove from the heart. Khanda khanda ho yadidiyo pran tathapi padane nachari harinam. I read Haridas Thakur. Only you are giving example of Haridas Thakur. He is showing how he has Nama Nishtha. Understand? Nama Nishtha. So much from faith with holy names. Nama Nishtha. Haridas Thakur told, and if you cut my body pieces, I can't touch. Give up. Khanda khanda yadi deva pran tathapi vadane nachari harinam. Nama Nishtha. Oikantiki. Sadha. Or Attantiki Sadha. Actually, when sadhu will come in the stage of Nishtha, that time he actually his bhakti is going on. So saying Nishtha hite upajay premera taranga. Nishtha hite upajay premera taranga. When your Nishtha steadiness will come, there are the waves of praying coming in the heart. Chaitanya said that Nishtha hite upajay premera taranga. Nam Nishtha, Seva Nishtha, Bhajan Nishtha, Guru Nishtha. There are many kinds of Nishtha. Nishtha means steadiness. And fixed. Nam Nishtha. Every day I chant and Hari name. Sankha Purvanam Gananati Kala Vasanukrito Nidra Aharya Vihar Vidavijito Chaptandina Chayo Radha Krishna Punasmati Mudurima Anandina Sanmohito Bande Rupa Sanatano Raghujugo Srijiva Gopalako. Srinivas Acharya, he composed these bhags. That is Sot Goswami Ashtakam. This is Goswami's glorification Ashtakam. Sankha Purvanam Gananati Krishna Kirtananam Gananati. This bhag. How are Goswamis perform bhajan sadhana Vrindavan? Krishna Kirtananam Gananati. And day and night chanting holy name. And sometimes they felt pang of separation from Radha Krishna. He Radhi Vijayavite Nanda Suno Kuta Sri Govardhana Kalpapadavattali Kalindi Vanne Kuta Ghajanta Viti Sarvato Vrajapuri Kheduri Mahavihal Bande Rupa Sanatano Raghujugo Srijiva Gopal. Or Goswamis, they perform bhajan sadhana Vrindavan. One night just they live under one tree. Then next night going another night. We cannot do this. Day and night that is called 60 dandas. One danda means 24 minutes. Just they took rest, only 4 dandas. 4 dandas means how many? 96 minutes. Understand? Chapanda danda ratri dine Radha Govinda bina nahi hai. Charidanda sute thake sapane Radha Govinda. 56 dandas, they also absorb the bhajan and sadhana. Only 4 dandas, 96 minutes. And 1 hour, 36 minutes. And they sometimes taking rest. Sometimes they used to go collect some, what is called, alms, madhukari from the house of the Devas. But when they used to take rest, just close their eyes, they in their dream, in the dream had come, different couple Radha and Krishna. So say, छप्पन्न दंड रात्रि दिने राधा गोविंद बिना नहीं जानी, चारी दंड सुते थाके सपने राधा गोविंद. We cannot these types of bhajan. How many hours we are sitting? How many hours you are sitting? Many. 5 hours, 6 hours, 10 hours. 12 hours Goswamis, they sleep. Only
1 hour 36.
1 hour 36 minutes. Also in the meantime, they also used to go to collect some foodstuffs from the house of the Yavasis. At 56 dandas, they completely absorbed their bhajanas. Sometimes they wrote grantha, Vishnu Kirtana Gana Nama Nativi, Sankha Prabhuka Nama Gana Nativi, Kala Vasana Krito, Nidra Ahara Vyara Vijitu, Chaturjano Chalu, Radha Krishna Gunasmati, Mudhurima Ananda Sanamo Hitu, Bandi Rupa Sanatano Rupajugo, Sijiva Gopala. Sometimes they wrote grantha also. Goswami Pad, he wrote many granthas. Ujjali Mani, Bhakti Samhita Sindhu, Datta Madhav, Lalit Madhav, Hamsadeva, many granthas. Raghunath, Sanatana Goswami Pad, he wrote also many granthas. Brihad Bhagavatamrita. And they also wrote many commentary of Srimad Bhagavatam. So they do bhajans. Though they are eternal associate of Divine Radha and Krishna, Nitya Parikar, but they acting the role of as like sadhaka. Sadhaka rupena siddha rupena chatrahi. In sadhaka form, they are doing this. Or siddha form, absorbed to service. Ashtakalina seva. They are different to Radha and Srimati Radhika. Mane mani siddha deha kariya bhavan ratri dine Radha Krishna kare seva. Day and night absorbed in their transcendental constitutional form siddha deha. And in their siddha deha servicing different Radha and Krishna. Sometimes they remember in past times Radha and Krishna, Raghu Goswami Pad. Remember, past times of Srimati Radhika, how Srimati Radhika collect the flowers, that is called, what is that? Kusum Sarovar Lila. Sometimes you also do this. Look how Goswami did it, we cannot this way. So that means that we are very far from Krishna. Understand? Not so easy. Very far from Krishna. But one chance, one day we will also attend to Krishna. Why not? Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving special mercy to all the concerned souls. Because in this Kali Yuga, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving special mercy. Kale Dosen De Rajan. In this Kali Yuga, all the conditional souls, they have so many faults. As so Srimad Bhagavatam gives it, Kale Dosen De Rajan. Jo eko asti mahana guna. But this Kali Yuga, one good quality. What is that? Krishna Nam. If you chant Krishna Nam, then all your faults will be destroyed. Attain to Krishna. So now coming in this way, just I also explain here, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pada explained. You always listen Hari Katha, Sinnatan, Sakata Krishna Purna Sravana Kirtanam. But you have to listen Hari Katha, Bhagavad Katha from Vaishnava, not Avaishnava. Avaishnava Mukhodgirnam Puta Hari Katha Mritam Sravanam Naiva Kartabam Sarpochishta Jathapaya. Padam Puran also again explained. You should not listen Bhagavad Katha from non-devotee. That's called Avaishnava, which is not Vaishnava. You have to listen Bhagavad Katha from Vaishnava, not Avaishnava. They're saying, Sinnat Avaishnava Mukhodikranam Puta Harikatham Amritam Sravana Naiva Kartava. Well, if you listen Bhagavad Katha from non-devotee or Avaishnava, so what result will come? What result? What is Sarpochishta Jathapayo? And if the milk touch the mouth of the snake, that milk completely contaminated with the poison of the snake. Or if you drink that milk, then you will Swaha, it will die. So what this is explained? Listen Bhagavad Katha from the lotus leaves of Vaishnava, not Avaishnava. Avaishnava Mukhodikranam Puta Harikatham Amritam Sravanam Naiva Kartavam Sarpochishta Jathaapa. जो भागवत कथा is अमृत, this is true. तब कथामृतम तप्त जीवनम कवि विरीडितम कल्मषापम श्रवण मंगलम श्रीमदाततम भुवि गृह्णन्ति ते भूरिदा जना. गोपी जयति ते भूधिकं जन्मना व्रज श्रयत इंदिरा षष्ठकत्र हि दयित दीक्षतां दीक्षुतावका त्रिधिता सवो त्वां विचिन्नते सरदुदसहि साधुजातसे सरजसी जदरे श्रीमुषादृशा सुरतनाथ ते शुल्कदासिका वरदनिघ्नतो नेयकें वद विसज्जलापायात् बैलराक्षसा वर्षमारुता वैद्युतानलात्. कभी कथामृतं तप्त जीवनं कवि विरीडितं कल्मषापं श्रवणमंगलं श्रीमदाततं भुवि गृह्णन्ति ते भूरिदा जना. अटति जाद भवान् अन्निकाननं त्रुटिजुगायते तामपश्यतं कुटिलकुन्तलं श्रीमुखं च ते जडोद्रेक्ष त्वां पक्षकीदृशम्. Gopi, it's so many slokas, very sweet. Just I mentioned some verses. So, जो भगवत कथा, कृष्ण कथा is nectar, sweet nectar, amrit. Because tava katha amritam, Srimati Radhika says, Hey Govinda, Hey Krishna, your katha, your pastime is amrit. This is true. Tava katha amritam, tapta jivanam. One who listens your sweet nectarian pastimes will be free from all kinds of the heat of faults of Maya. Your katha is amrit. If anybody drink the nectar, he will become immortal. And in the same way, your katha pastimes, that is called amrit. Tava katha amritam tapta jivanam kavi viriritam kalmasava. And all unearths, unwanted things, sinful activity, everything were removed from the heart. But we have condition. We have to listen all the sweet nectarian pastimes of Krishna from the lotus mouth of Vaishnava, not Avaishnava. So, Bhagavati Uttama Sloke Nishtir Bhagavati. And in this way, every day, continue. Listen Hari Katha. Then, slowly all unearths remove from the heart. Ekadashi Bhartini, Bahudashi Bhartini, Prayaki Purna, and Atyantika will describe. Even also, many obstacles will come. when you listen Hari Katha or chanting holy names, Kirtan, or remembering pastimes of Krishna. Then again, some anartha is some, what is called? Obstacles are come. What is called? It is called loy, vikshep, apatpatti, kasai, rasa sadhana. Again 5 types of obstacles are coming. How many?
5.
What is that? Loy means sleepiness will come. 2 ways sleepiness will come. If you have no taste, listen Hari Katha, then automatically sleepiness comes. Or if you are very tired, health is not good, understand? So much fatigueness in your body, maybe all night you, what is called? Servicing or wake up not sleep. For this regard, your health is not good. For this regard, sleepiness will come. 2 ways sleepiness come. During the listen Hari Katha. One is called if your body very tired, fatigued. Or if you have no interest to listen Hari Katha, then sleepiness will come. So that is called loy. Vikshep, vikshep means that is called distraction. And at the time of Shravan Kirtan, sometimes discuss about material things, that is called Vyavaharik Vishay. Discuss. Vyavaharik means material. Discuss about material things. That is called mind also disturbed. That is called vikshep. Third, that is called apratpatti, disinterest. And if you have no interest, listen Hari Katha, or unable to practice devotional service, then mind also disturbed. That is called apratipatti. Actually, apratipatti is disinterest. Or kasai. Kasai means past bad impressions. That is called kasai. Previous life did many kinds of sinful activity, that is also impressed in your mind. So for this regard, mind disturbed sometimes, anger, greed, and also pride coming, garbha, ahankar coming. These types of impressions, sanskar, in the heart of the sadhaka. For this regard, is come to do bhajan and sadhana. I know everything. These types of, that is called ahankar, pride. Or fifth, that is called rasa sadhana. Taste for material enjoyment during the time of bhajan and sadhana, chanting holy names. But in your mind, tasting the material things. Sometimes chanting holy names, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Mind going in there to enjoying the material sense gratification. And externally chanting holy names. But internally mind going anywhere to enjoy the material sense gratification. Is mostly is coming. We chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. If the sweet smell coming from kitchen room, or maybe 2 days, they prepare for and prepare pista, what pasta? Look, chanting holy names, but in the mind, testing the material sensibility. Many things. So these are called the 5 obstacles of the karma. This is called loy, Sanskrit word. What did he say? Loy. Loy means sleepiness. Loy. Vikshep, distraction of your mind. Loy, vikshep. Apratipatti, this is a disinterest. If you have no interest, very difficult to concentrate your mind. Listen to the Katha. That is called disinterest. Apratipatti. Kasai, that is the past bad impression, sanskar. Disturb your mind also. Understand? For this regard, greed, anger, enviousness, or pride come, garva. Or fifth, rasa sadhana, and taste for material enjoyment. Follow Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki Jai Shri Radhe. Remember these things, don't forget. Govinda Bala Hari Gopala Golo, Govinda Bala Hari Gopala Golo, Govinda Bala Hari Gopala Golo, Govinda Bala Hari Gopala Golo. Radhamana Giridhari, Giridhari Sanjana Yesterday I told a very nice story how Krishna nourishment the gopis brain. You remember this katha?
Yeah.
How Krishna disappeared from the Rasa. Then gopis they asked, why did you leave us? And why did you get so much pain in our heart? Then Krishna told, actually I did not go out from you, always I am with you. Then Krishna first he told, hey look, when you told, so this is the footprints of Krishna. And that time I was there. But you were so much absorbed, separation from me. For this regard you did not see. Actually I was in that same place. But you felt so much pang of separation from me. For you were thinking I am not there. Actually I am there. Krishna told, hey Gopi, that time you told, look, this is the footprints of Krishna. Actually I was there, but you did not see. Because your mind completely absorbed separation from me. Sometimes you feel separation, that not go nobody, nothing. Actually there. Then again, Krishna, they going to go, why you saying this? You did not with us, you left. Then Krishna again told, okay, if you feel separation from me. Then I was looking, watching, and how much you have love and affection with me. I was watching. Little bit far from you, I was watching how much you have love and affection with me. Because when lover and beloved meet together, they cannot to measurement how much they are love and affection. Yeah? Understand? Maybe when the meeting lover and beloved, and that time they cannot measurement. Yeah? That's all. Maybe in their bodies, body to meeting, but mind maybe not meeting. Understand? And when separate, maybe body and body are not meeting, but mind is meeting. Two minds meeting together. Because both are remembering to each other. Understand? At the time of separation, then both, lover and beloved, both also remembering to each other. Body is here, but mind going another. Understand? When two friends meeting together, bodies together, this is true. But mind going here and there. But at the time of separation, body is separate, this is true. That one is saying far this way, other way. But both also remembering to each other. So in the same way Krishna told, so separation, I disappear from you. Then I was looking, watching, how much you have love and affection. Then Krishna saying this was. That was hide in the back of the tree. I was looking, how much you have love and affection. I was looking. Then Gopi said, why are you saying this? So what is that? Then Krishna told, actually, in this way, I also nourishment your praying. Understand? Because Nobina Vipralambena Sambhuga Pushti Masnute. Separation, nourishment, the meeting. Nobina Vipralambena Sambhuga Pushti Masnute Jatha Kanjita Ranjita Kasayavastha. If you white cloth, put in the dye, saffron dye, that would be a very delightful dye and saffron color. But again and again, if you put your cloth in the saffron dye, that will be more delightful it will come. In the same way, Krishna says, hey Gopi, listen, I separate from you. That means I was looking how much you have love and affection. I was looking. And in this way, I also nourishment your prayer. So you nourishment our prayer. How? Then Krishna gave example, the mango, seed and plant. Yesterday I told. Because when prayer will be completely mature, then you can taste the prayer. If prayer is not mature, and you cannot properly taste. Just give an example of mango. Mango is what? Many kinds of mango. Green mango, small mango. Then mango mature and half ripened. Then ripened. Then completely ripened. Look at that. Many stages of mangoes. You can taste the mango. You can taste the mango. Different taste will come. When it's small mango, if you eat, maybe some, what is called? Glue coming and also hit your lips. Understand? A small mango. So much glue coming, And that glue also what? Hit your lips. You will pay. But same mango, when it will be mature, that is called a green mango. That green mango, if you will eat, sweetness will not come. What is that? sour. Eh? Did you eat or not? Mango chutney. Eh? Sour. But same mango when ripened, eh? And that time sweetness comes. Before was sour, and now ripened, coming sweetness. But this is not also complete. And when the mango more ripened and matured and ripened, eh? Look like reddish color, that very sweet taste will come. And again same mango more mature and color completely transferred from saffron color to yellow color. And that mango is very sweet taste. You can make juice, mango juice. That. And not only this, even same mango completely ripened and color change. What color change? Green to
Red.
red.
Yellow.
Red to orange color.
Gold.
Orange color to completely what?
Gold.
Yellow color. As like molten gold color. And that mango, very sweet. And even that mango when touch the beak of the parrot, that is what? So sweetness. You cannot imagine. But in the same way, when our prem will be matured and completely transferred in high stage, and that is very sweetness. So what this God explained, this way prems, prem body, vai hoy, man, sneho, man, pranay, rag, anurag, bhav, maha. Same prem, mature and transferred in different way and different name are given. Prem mature, that is called sneho. Sneho means affection, love and affection. Then coming man, that is called and what is called anger mood coming, sneho man. Then pranay, sneha, sneho man, pranay, rag, anurag, bhav, maha. Different answer. Good prema. Okay. Now say Bhati. Okay. Oh, I want to say about it. Maybe of his name? Yeah, great,
Maharaj, I wanted to check one thing from last night, if it's okay, because I think maybe translation was a little bit confused, because Prabhuji was saying that when we're practicing bhakti, beginning stages, like bhajana kriya, we're doing shravana,
Adu Shraddha,
kirtana.
Tato Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anta Nishtha, Ruchi.
He's saying that like bhajana kriya, like kirtan, using limbs in service, he's saying this is only using mundane senses, it's not bhakti. But I heard that all stages of bhakti cannot be engaged with mundane senses like hearing and tongue, and really this is transcendental and this is all bhakti. But in translation he was saying that this is not bhakti, it's only practical, like only practicing, it's not real bhakti.
No. I told this. When bhakti will come, you are listening Hari Katha, this is bhakti or not?
Yeah.
Bhakti. But no. When bhakti, when we surrender. Sravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam, Pada Sevanam, Achanam, Bandhan, Dasakha Atmanidhi. Iti Pungsarpita Vishnu. Orpi means surrender. When surrender to Krishna and listen Hari Katha, that is bhakti. And before surrender to Krishna, you are listening Hari Katha, that is not bhakti. Maybe some correct sukriti. Bhakti, when bhakti will be same kirtan Hari Katha, listen Hari Katha, when surrender to Krishna and listen Hari Katha, that is bhakti. Or before surrender to Krishna, listen Hari Katha, that is not bhakti, that is called sukriti. You understand or not? You listen this verse. Sravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, Smaranam, Archana Bandhan, Dasa, Sakha, Atmanivedam. Iti Pungsar Orpita. Orpita means surrender. Iti Pungsar Pita Vishnu, Bhaktis Chet Navlakshana. listen Hari Katha, this is true, this is bhakti. But when it will be bhakti, transform in bhakti?
After surrender.
When you surrender.
Before surrender, it's just Sukriti, just practice.
Just practicing.
And using
And
mundane senses.
that's Shraddha. Yesterday I told. I am not saying Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Bhakti Tattva Vivek also saying. Shraddha actually not bhakti. Shraddha giving the and adhikar, eligibility. Eligibility, how to enter in bhakti. So the Shraddhavan, Janhan, Bhakti Adhikari. Who is qualified to practice bhakti? Who has Shraddha. That means Shraddha and faith, giving the eligibility to enter in bhakti. So all these are Shraddha, Sadhusanga, all these are giving the eligibility, adhikar. And bhakti, this is what? Novida bhakti. Sravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, that is a bhakti. But that bhakti when first you surrender to Krishna. Iti pungsar pita or pita. Iti pungsar pita Vishnu. Bhaktis chet navalakshana. Sanskrit word. Or pita. If you not offer yourself to Krishna, surrender to Krishna, and listen Hari Katha, that is not bhakti. Just getting the Sukriti. Maybe Shraddha is coming, this is true. That Shraddha is called Komal Shraddha, soft faith. Understand? So again and again listen Hari Katha, then your Shraddha will be mature, then Drida Shraddha will come. Because all these things are giving the eligibilities. How to enter in bhakti. Actually bhakti means is what? Seva. To serve. Very difficult to understand. You are cooking. This is bhakti, you are cooking for Krishna. This is bhakti or not? In the beginning we said, okay, this is bhakti. Because you are servicing for Krishna. You are cooking for Krishna. This is bhakti. But when you deeply analyze, if you not surrender to Krishna and cooking for Krishna, that is not bhakti. First I am saying this is bhakti. Again I am saying this is not bhakti. And again saying this is bhakti. Look this thing. But bhakti is coming in front after surrender. So Srimad Bhagavad Gita gives this types of message to us, how to surrender to Krishna. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saranam vraja. Aham tvang sarvabhu mokshamima, they surrender. Bhagavad Gita gives this message how to surrender to Krishna. As Srimad Bhagavatam gives how to direct serve to Krishna. Surrender or here service. Seva. Bhakti means seva, service. And this service is coming from two ways, every day I am saying. One from your samandhagyan, knowledge of relationship, or another mamata. Mamata means possessiveness. This thing. But if you not surrender, there is not bhakti coming. Because Krishna will not listen your kirtan. Saranga saranagati hoibe jahar tahara prarthana sune Srinanda Kumar. You said it. Saranga saranagati hoibe jahar tahara prarthana sune Srinanda Kumar. Saranagati. When you saranagati, surrender, then Krishna will listen your prayers. You are doing kirtan, but no saranagati, Krishna will not listen. No close your eyes. Or when you surrender, Krishna will listen. Look this. This is the prayer. So samandhagyan, knowledge of religion. Many people on the street, they are crying. You are walking on the street. Just to give an example, after your hard work from your office, you are returned back your home. On the way, many people what is called, begging, understand, crying or anything. But you are not giving attention. You are not giving attention. You are giving attention? And maybe sometimes you are very generous, sometimes you give in 1 coin, give in 20, then you go. But maybe not. This is true or not? When you are in like, going to the market, you have seen many persons also putting this thing and give some donation, homeless, they saying or not? It's in London, they are putting on this thing and writing, oh, I am homeless, no money, no this, give some donation. But you will not give attention. Oh, this is everyday the people. You will not give attention. Because you have no relationship with them. You have no relationship with that the person. Sometimes your sympathy coming from your heart, maybe just put some coin, some 1 pound, 2 pounds you are giving. Maybe not. Because this person is not, belongs to my family. You understand? For this reason I will not give attention, no relationship. But when someone completely surrender to you, then you will give everything to you. This is true or not? When disciple completely surrender to the spirit of Guru, then Guru will take responsibilities of the disciple. This is the rules and regulation of Shastra. After disciple completely independent, took Nam Diksha from Guru, but he has no relationship with Guru, nothing to this. Guru is saying what to do, what we are doing, do. You understand this project? The Guru will take responsibilities of a disciple when his disciple surrender. So for the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Arjuna says this one. Shishyaste aham sadhi tang mang prapanna. Tang mang prapanna. Prapanna means I surrender to you. And I am your disciple. Yeah? Gita. Read Bhagavad Gita. No need others Grantha. First read Gita. Shishyaste aham sadhi tang mang prapanna. What this look first like? Karpanno doso avarhita svabha prichami bhavta. Karpanno dosa, I have so many limitations. This is true. Now I am surrendered to you. Shishyaste aham sadhi tang mam prapanna. Yes, Shishyaste, I am your disciple. You chastise me or whatever you want. I completely surrender to you. You understand this? Gita saying this. When you surrender, then listen your prayer. Or if you not surrender, independence. Many devotees, they completely are independence. Whatever they want, they are doing. So Guru and Krishna not giving attention. Or if you surrender, hey Gurudev, hey Vaishnava Thakur, I am surrendered to you. Then you take it. Understand? Ananyas chintantu mang jijana purjupasate tesa nittavi juktana jogokshemang vaham vaham. Krishna says very clearly. You read this sloka. Learn this sloka or not? Gita. Ananyas chintantu mang jijana purjupasate tesa nittavi juktana jogokshemang vaham vaham. You read this sloka, then tomorrow I will discuss to you. What is the perfect meaning?
Where can I find in Gita?
Bhagavad Gita. Ananyas chintantu mang jajana prajupasate tesa nittavi juktanam yogakshemam vaham. Ananya, can't point it with me. Krishna says. Ananyas chintantu mang jajana. Tesa nittavi yogakshemam. Whatever we need, I will carry on everything on my head. Or who is not one pointed? Just I am watching. So, actual Srimad Bhagavad Gita gives this message, how to surrender to Krishna. Then Krishna will take our responsibilities. Huh? This is the main thing. Krishna will take our all responsibilities, how to maintain our life, everything, when we surrender. If we not surrender, what will we do? Satantra jivane, independence. If you independence, no one take responsibilities to you. And when you surrender, then you take responsibility. This is the main thing. You read Bhagavad Gita, this verse you read. Ananya chintantumang jejana prajupaste tesa nittavi juktana yoga kshemam vaham. Yoga and khem. Whatever we need. Spirituality and materiality. Whatever we need, Krishna says, I will carry on everything on my head. Vahami, aham vahami, Krishna says. Myself, not others. I will take care of everything. So first need your saranagati. So first the Bhaktivinoda Thakur saying this. Saranga saranagati vai bejahar tahara prarthana sune sinanda kumar. Gopi saranagati is what? Topmost. You are discussing different level of the saranagati. But Gopi saranagati surrender. For this regard Krishna says also. And I cannot repay your debts. No parayang nirbadham sanjam sadhu kitta sajam. No parayang nirbadham sanjam sadhu kitta vibhudu sadhu. Jamar durjana griha sinkala sangbrischa pratijadu sadhuna. Our Gita same is saying the same. Je jathamang prapaddante tang tadiva vajamam. According to your surrender, I serve you. Yeah. Reciprocal coming. Reciprocal, understand? How much you surrender, then I will do. It's like businessman. I pay something to you or you give something to me. Je jathamang prapaddante stang tahiva bhajamma mama vartanu vartante manasa partha sabhusha.
But Mahaprabhu, he has the same reciprocation nature or no? Mahaprabhu?
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu special mercy.
Yeah.
That is called Udarjamaya Murti. If you don't surrender, I will chasing behind you. And I will catch you up, choti. That's the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's special mercy.
Maharaj, do you know what chapter and verse that verse is?
Chapter.
Verse.
Ananyas Chint.
Well, we find it.
Yeah, we can find it.
Gita? Can do Gita. You can say this. Ananya Chintantamang Jejana Partipasa.